opening the chart editor. Click on the Super Home button. To open the chart maintenance, select Nautical Charts in the Maintenance panel. The following functions are available: World Chart, overview of all charts installed with zoom and pan function. Main selection sidebar, to select a chart database and the mode of operation. Functions tab, to choose a specific function depending on the selected mode. Information area, displays the protocol tabs. Action area, provides functions to sort, delete or update listed elements. Tools menu. Two Tools buttons are available so that two features are visible at the same time. Note: if the maintenance mode is started for the first time after power on, the database will be checked. Display tab. The Display tool is used to set up the graphic view of the world chart. Click on the Tools menu. To access the feature, select Display. The Display tab provides an overview of a number of installed chart cells for different navigational purposes. To customize the display, deselect the respective checkbox of the navigational purpose cells. To display all chart cells, reactivate the Select All checkbox. Note: if the alarm indicator is displayed in front of a checkbox, an error has been detected in at least one chart cell of this category. List of installed chart cells. Click on the Super Home button. To open the chart maintenance mode, select Nautical Charts. Select the desired chart database. To get detailed information about the database, make sure the display mode is selected. Click on the Functions drop-down menu, select Show List of Installed Cells. Click on the Apply On drop-down menu, select the desired MFD workstation. To display the list of all installed chart cells, click on the Start button. All available chart cell information will be displayed in the information area. Chart formats. The system supports the following chart formats and chart databases: IHO ENC, official ENCs in S57, S63 format, ARCs, CMAT Professional, CM93/3 Pro Private Standard. Topic 713. Chart Overviews and Tables. This topic covers the chart overview, including relevant information, and describes how charts, chart updates, installed licenses, and permits can be displayed. Graphic View of World Chart. Click on the Super Home button and select Nautical Charts. Click on the Tools menu, select Display. Installed charts are highlighted with a coloured frame depending on the selected filter. To adjust the filter, click on the Colouring By drop-down menu. Next, choose the filter by selecting either Cell Status or Source of Licensing. If Source of Licensing is selected, one of the following color codes is used. Dark green, IHO ENC license. Blue, CMAP ENC license. Yellow, ENC Cell does not require a license. Red, an error occurred. Note, ARCS charts do not have a color code by source of licensing. If Cell Status is selected, one of the following color codes is used. Red, an error has occurred while the data has been checked. Green, valid data. Detailed chart cell information. In display mode, select the Functions tab. Click on the Functions drop-down menu. Select Show List of Installed Cells. Apply with Start. The list of installed cells will appear at the bottom of the application field. To get detailed chart cell information, select the desired chart cell from the list. The Cell Name Protocol tab pops up. To view additional information, click on the Show drop-down menu. Select one of the following options: Cell History, Conversion Messages, Update Messages, Manual Update History. Additionally, the selected chart cell in the world chart is highlighted in red. Update Status Report. To access the Update Status Report, click on the Functions drop-down menu in display mode and select Show ENC Update Status Report. Apply with Start. The Update Status Report Protocol tab pops up, providing general information such as ENC Update Reference Date or Date and Time of Report, and a detailed Chart Status Summary as follows. Total, number of charts installed. Up to date, chart cell has all latest updates or new addition information. Not up to date. Update or new addition for the cell is not installed, and 4 weeks have passed since the update reference date. Withdrawn. Chart cell is not supported by the data server anymore, but the cell is still available within the system. Export Update Status Report. To export the created Update Status Report to a USB memory stick, click on the Print ENC Update Status Report drop-down menu. Select Microsoft XPS Document Writer. Activate either the Print All Cells or Print Selected Cells Only radio button. Apply with Print. Enter the desired file name and apply with Save. Installed Permits, Licenses. In display mode, click on the Functions drop-down menu and select Show List of Installed Permits. To view all installed permits, click on the Start button. All permits will be listed accordingly in the respective Protocol tab. Installed Certificates. Click on the Functions drop-down menu, select Show List of Installed Certificates. To view all installed certificates, click on the Start button. all certificates will be listed accordingly in the respective protocol tab. Note: licensed IHO ENC cells are secured according to the S63 version 1.1. The public key of this certificate is essential for further chart handling. For safety reasons, non-licensed ENCs cannot be loaded without this certificate. Readme text files. All CDs and DVDs contain the Readme text file, which includes important safety information. Click on the Functions drop-down menu. Select Show Readme TXT. The system automatically connects to the external media drive. Click on the Browse button and select the Readme text file located in the ENC root folder of each file set. To view the file, click on the Start button. The text will be listed accordingly in the Readme Text Protocol tab. Note: the file should be read as part of the weekly ENC update process to ensure that all relevant changes are understood. Chart ordering. Regarding chart ordering, refer to the individual supply arrangement with the designated chart supplier. External programs from third parties are becoming more and more common for managing electronic chart folios and creating chart requisitions.
During the determination of importable charts from media, the system checks for a valid SA certificate, which is the IHO.CRT file for official charts. This process applies for S63 and AVCS charts. If the certificate is invalid or cannot be found, the respective SSE05 error message will be displayed. Installation of SA Public Key. Click on the Super Home button and select Maintenance, Nautical Charts. Make sure the IHO ENC database is selected. Click on the Mode drop-down menu and select Update. Click on the Functions drop-down menu and select Install Certificates. Click on the Source drop-down menu and select the respective device. The system will automatically display the IHO.CRT file at the top of the directory. If this is not the case, click on Browse and locate and select the IHO.CRT file. Apply with Select Dataset. Click on the Start button. The ECDIS Chart Update Wizard window pops up. To install the SA Public Key, click on Do Installation. Note: the IHO certificate cannot be deleted. It can be overwritten by a more recent SA Public Key. When completed, apply with OK. The confirmation and summary message is displayed in the IHO ENC Protocol tab. S63 User Permit. An ENC cell is protected by a permit against unauthorized use. Wertzille SAM Electronics generates an individual user identification, UID, that is unique to each system. This UID is hidden and stored on the MFD's dongle. The UID is used to create a public user permit number, which is required to request a permit file for new charts from the chart supplier. Once the license has been obtained, the permit.txt file is usually sent to the customer via email. Note: the S63 User Permit cannot be retrieved from the system. It can be referred to in the system's documentation provided by Wärtsilä SAM Electronics and should have been supplied at the time of delivery. Installation of ENC Permits. Click on the Functions drop-down menu and select Install and Update IHO Permit Database. Click on the Source drop-down menu, then select the respective device. The system will automatically display any permit.txt file at the top of the directory. If not, click on Browse, locate and select the correct permit.txt file. Apply with Select Dataset. Note: click on Start to activate the installation if it is not started automatically. The ECDIS Chart Update Wizard window pops up. Select the Install and Update Permit Database radio button. To install the ENC permit, click on Continue. When completed, the confirmation and summary message will be displayed in the IHO ENC Protocol tab. Installation of IHO ENCs. Click on the Functions drop-down menu. Then select Update IHO ENC Database. Click on the Source drop-down menu. Then select the respective device that contains the chart data. The system will automatically display any chart data at the top of the directory. If this is not the case, click on Browse, then locate and select the desired ENC root subdirectory. Apply with Select Dataset. Select the Update IHO ENC Database radio button in the pop-up window. To install the IHO ENCs, click on Continue. The installation progress, as well as the confirmation and summary message, will be displayed in the IHO ENC Protocol tab. Note: if any warnings occurred, click OK in the pop-up window. The List of Compiler Warnings window appears. After assessing the messages, select or deselect the respective checkboxes. Apply with Install. Installation of IHO ENC Selection. Click on the Functions drop-down menu. Select Update IHO ENC Database Selection. Click on the Source drop-down menu. Then select the device that contains the chart data. The system will automatically display any chart data at the top of the directory. If this is not the case, click on Browse, then locate and select the directory ENC root. Apply with Select Dataset. Select either Update IHO ENC Database Selection or the Show Content Only radio button in the pop-up window. Apply with Continue. After data analysis, the Select Cells for Update window pops up. To view all chart cells, select the Expand Nation Codes checkbox. Deselect the chart cell checkboxes which should not be installed. Apply the selection with Continue. To install the IHO ENC selection, click on Continue. The installation progress, as well as the confirmation and summary message, will be displayed in the IHO ENC Protocol tab. Update of charts from another workstation. Click on the Super Home button. Then select Maintenance, Nautical Charts. Make sure the IHO ENC database is selected. Click on the Mode drop-down menu. Then select Update. Open the Functions drop-down menu. Then select Update Remote IHO ENC Databases. By default, the source for the remote update is the MFD, this one. Note: the source must be the MFD. The update has already been performed by applying the latest update media. Select the checkbox of the MFDs to be updated in the Destination panel. To update charts from another workstation, click on the Start button. Update of charts from media. The IHO ENC update procedure corresponds to the IHO ENC installation. For more information, see Instruction 72105, Installation of IHO ENCs. Messages during chart update. One of the following messages may occur during the chart update. IHO ENC data exchange set found. The data set is not known to the system. Continue with pop-up Chart Update Wizard. Base
Unit 73 Permits. Click on the Super Home button, select Maintenance Nautical Charts. Click on the Chart Database drop-down menu, select ARCs. Open the Mode drop-down menu, select Update. Installation of raster charts. Make sure the ARCs database and the Update mode are selected. Click on the Functions drop-down menu, select Update ARCs database. The remaining procedure is the same as described in Instruction 7215, Installation of IHO ENCs. Update of RNCs from another workstation. Make sure the ARCs database and the Update mode are selected. Click on the Functions drop-down menu. Select Update Remote ARCs Databases.
Select cell to be corrected manually. Click on the Super Home button. Select Maintenance, Nautical Charts. Make sure the IHO ENC database, the display mode. To navigate to the chart cell, which should be corrected manually, use the Pan and Zoom control and/or the Off-Center function. To view the chart cell, click in the respective colored triangle in the chart pane. Select the desired cell name from the pop-up menu. the chart will be displayed highlighted in dark red. To select the cell, right-click on the dark red area. Then click on Manual Update Editor and select the cell. The cell will be displayed in the center of the chart pane. To open the Update Editor, click on the Tools menu. Select Manual ENC Update Editor and click on Session Setup to enter the requested data. Start Update Session. Make sure the Manual ENC Update Editor tab is selected. To start the update session, click on the Session Setup button. Enter user identification, source, and in the pop-up window, apply with Set. The following features are available. View Cell button to recenter the chart cell. Create Objects panel to create symbols, areas, and line objects. Undo and Abort button to end the update session and to go back. Add manual correction. To select the desired category of the object, click on the respective plus of Symbols, Areas, or Lines in the Create Objects panel. Next, select the desired object from the list. Enter the required details into the object name and information input fields. To add the object, select the desired symbol icon and drop it on the chart. The symbol of the manual correction labeled with the entered object name is displayed in the chart pane accordingly. Once an object is set on the chart, it can be modified. To open the context menu, select the object and apply with a right-click. Choose one of the following options: Modify, Delete, Set Coordinates. As long as the session has not been ended, all actions carried out are stored in the session log. To view the session log, click on the Show Session Log button. To end the session without any changes, click on the Undo and Abort button. To store the correction and to finish the procedure, click on the Save and Exit button. Edit manual corrections. Delete manual updates. Verify that the IHO ENC database is selected. Click on the Mode drop-down menu and select Maintenance. Open the Functions drop-down menu and select Delete Manual ENC Updates. Make sure MFD, this one, is selected. Click on the Start button. The IHO ENC Manual ENC Update Cell Deleting window pops up. Select the desired cell, or all added manual updates which should be deleted from the overview list. To delete all manual updates for the chart cell, click on Continue. Apply with OK. The update file for the selected cell is removed from the list. Note: this procedure needs to be done on all other MFDs the manual updates were applied to. Manual ENC Update. Verify that the IHO ENC database and the display mode are selected. Click on the Functions drop-down menu and select Show List of Installed Cells. Click on the Apply On drop-down menu and select the desired MFD workstation. To display the list of all chart cells containing a manual update, click on the Start button. All chart cells that contain a manual update are marked with the date of the update in the Manual ENC Update column in the Information area. Note: the column is only displayed if manual updates are available. Update History by PIC Report. Click on the Superhome button and select ECDIS Monitoring. Move the cursor over the Manual Update symbol in the chart pane. Right-click on the symbol and select Chart Information in the drop-down menu. Click on the plus of Chart Legend Status. Then open the plus of Cell Name in the Categories panel. To view the symbol's update history, select Manual Update History. All available manual update information is displayed in the Details panel.